back to Caticlan airport. It is actually similar process like when you come to Boracay. You need to pay for terminal fees. You need to buy boat ticket, and yeah, and then you will get a seats number. We are going back to Caticlan airport, and as I mentioned, it's a similar process how you get to Boracay, but you pay already there for a tricycle. You will get a receipt, give to guy, and they will take you to the airport. This is Caticlan airport. As you can see, it's really small, but you can get some food here or buy some souvenirs, coffee or water. I think they have just 4 or 5 gates, and it's actually pretty easy and pretty quick, even it's so busy. They even have a Starbucks here. You don't need to come like so early, like 1 hour early before your flight. Everything was super quick, and like there was a line outside because they are checking your luggage twice, but it was all good, all fine, no problem at all. We are ready to board our next flight, and we are going to Cebu actually from Boracay. It is again with Cebu Pacific. We find actually the cheapest plane tickets with them. Arrived to Cebu, going to pick up our bags and then find a way to Moalboal actually. I'm not really sure if we go by taxi or van or maybe bus. I will see.
Shopping mall here in the Philippines. This one is eSIM. And this one, the big casino with the hotel.
Casino?
Yeah.
Can you win some money there or just lose?
Sorry?
Can you win some money there or just lose?
I don't know. I didn't try that answer. Only rich people can go there. That's 7-star hotel.
7-star?
Yes, sir.
Unofficial?
Official. That's a new one. I think it's 1.5%.
They should have Googled this.
Good morning from Moalboal. We actually arrived yesterday, but I wasn't in the shape to record anything. So we just went for a dinner and just walked a little bit around, and that's it. We actually took a private car. It wasn't a van, it was like a bigger car, SUV, which was fine because it was four of us, which was fine. We actually paid 4,600 pesos, which is approximately like what we expect. It depends how many of you share the car. It might get cheaper or more expensive. We actually saw some offers for 2,500 for two people, which is more expensive, but plus minus at a price from Cebu airport to Moalboal. And I absolutely love the vibe of this village. As actually I think it's village or really small town. It's super nice. Everything is cheaper here compared to Boracay, which is plus. Hello! And we are actually going to Cavasan Fall today, Cavasan Waterfall. I'm looking forward to this experience. It was on my bucket list, so hopefully it's going to be good. We have a pickup at 9 a.m. and yeah, that's it. I will have a breakfast in my hotel. It is pretty simple hotel, nothing special. Mostly all hotels here are like that. You don't have, or I don't remember if I saw any luxury resort or some big hotel's name, but it's fine because you see local life, which is what I'm looking for. I just want to show you beach, but it might be closed. There is something written. Oh yeah, it's private road, so I'm probably going back. Morning! Yes, you can see everybody is super nice. Hello! They are waving. Yeah. Okay, so I will show you the beach later on. I'm going back. I wanted to give you all this information how to get from Cebu airport to Moalboal. And actually time is a little bit longer. We saw some people post like it's 2.5 hours. It took us to get here more than 3 hours. I think it was more like 3.5 hours because of traffic jam in Cebu City. But if you are in Cebu City, it's much easier to get here and you save some time. So if you can stay maybe 1 or 2 nights in Cebu City and then move here